in the iFarms, I want to teach you guys on how to make this lovely side bag. You can sell it to those people selling something on the roadside inside market. So wash and enjoy. So now the measurements you are going to be needing for this bag is the length. The length of the bag that you're going to cut out is 10 inches. So the wideness is 8.5. So you are going to cut two sides. So for the front, for the small purse, so the wideness is 6 by 6. So now what you will do after cutting it out, you take your tape rule, you measure. So now this place, I use 2 inches to cut the upper part out. Here, I use 1.5 inches to cut this place out from the measurement, from the front measurement. You have to cut it total. So you divide. So now you also need the measurement. The materials we are going to be needing is zip cloth. This zip cloth. We are going to be needing belt. This is belt. So we are going to be needing adjuster, zip held, 2 zipper held. Because you use one for the purse, you use one for this. You can also use 2 for the upper part, your choice. So now let's get started. For it easily. So now I want to, I've cut out the 2 inches from the front panel. So I remove 2 inches from it. So now I want to add zip cloth to the mirror, to this place, to the midpoint. So now you take your zip cloth, you take this, you just bend it a little bit, the edges. So now you put it on it. Leave some space here for the zipper head to enter. So now you just mash, sew it. You touch stitch. So if the material is not moving when sewing, just oil it to make it free. Just bend it a little bit, oil it. You cut it out like this, and you take the second side. Please try to sew at the equal edges to make it straight together. So now start your sewing. If it's not moving, oil it. Just bend it this way. No, mo ṣe wá ń gba fáànù ṣe ń mú I'll just remove it this way. So check if the edges is correct before putting the zipper head. So now to fix the zipper head, you put one there. You look at the edge. This is the wide mouth of the zipper head. That's where you put it. Just put it like so. Zip. So I'm done with this. I want to also do this like this. Once you join this purse, you know this is the front panel, while this is the back panel. So after putting the zipper held into the zip cloth, so now this is the way it looks. Now just take it like this. You sew it in 4 corner edges, square shape. If there is excess, you cut it off. So like this. Get to this place, first keep the zip. Can easily lose. So now, It's essence, cut it off. So now open this place. Just turn it out. Take this is the front panel, while this is the back. Now I want to fix this to this. Just take this, put it this way, and so just stitch it at the midpoint, at the middle. You can launch it to make it easy. So just stitch it. So now just stitch, just gently. So we are done with this. So this is it. So now you take your adjuster this way. You take your belt. You cut out maybe 2 inches from it. You can measure it. 2 inches, 3 inches from it. So this is 3 inches. You cut it out. So you take your matches or lighter. Now, shoot it there. Okay. So this, put it this way. With a stitch. Just leave some inches from this edge. You can leave like ½ inch from the other side. So just stitch it. Then cut off the excess thread. Now you take this. So the measurement I'm using for this belt is 53 inches. 53 inches for the length. So now just take it, sew it the way you sew the other side. Leave some inches, maybe ½ inch to this side, and sew. So now after sewing, take the front, the back panel, put this one here. So you take this one together, set it very well. So start your sewing like this. So if you get to this zipper point, just stitch it. It can easily lose if you are using only a single sewing, a single stitches, but if you double it, it will lose. Now after sewing, this is it. So you just use your hand to open this zip and turn it out gently. Sewing, after turning it, this is the way it will look like. So now just take your belt, you take the second adjuster, try to use your hand to straighten it like this. So put this here, return it back. So now I will not put it here. So what you do, just try to adjust this place back. So you stitch. You stitch it to this one. So the one that you inserted, you stitch it to the line. So So this is our bag after selling. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.